Hello there. Today's topic is forward engineering. The people who are doing database design, they're basically very much familiar with this keyword forward engineering. So today I'm gonna show it how to design database from ERD diagram. First of all, you have to install MySql or MySql Workbench and open it up. Alright, so this is the MySql Workbench. So today I'm gonna show you how to design ERD diagram, and from that you can generate your SQL database. Go to the database, go to the file, new model. The model is open with a name database MyDB. Here I'm gonna change the name dev database. Now click on the add diagram. Here you can see the design board. So today I am going to show you from a very simple example is, for example, I have a table called teacher table and another table is called course table. Let's design those tables. Click it on and drop it here. The table 1, double click. I'm gonna give the name of the table as teacher. Teacher ID as a primary key. Auto increment. Teacher name, worker, teacher email address, phone number, address. Now you can see here the table, teacher table. Let's take another table. Course table, course ID, data type is integer, primary key and auto increment. Course name, description, duration. So now we're gonna see the cardinality between two tables, teacher and course. Here the relationships cardinality. So if we think about the teacher, a teacher can take many courses, and from the course table a course can be taken by many teachers. So the relationship between teacher and course table is many to many. So here we can see many to many relationship diagram. So click it. Click on the teacher table and again go to the course table and click it on. Here you go. You can see another table is being created. This table is called association table. You can see the two primary keys, teacher ID and course ID, in this table. So basically this is the your diagram. So now we have to design the database. Though most of the case people write SQL query, SQL script to generate database from the ER diagram. So that is the place where forward engineering comes. It takes whole responsibility to generate SQL script from ER diagram, and it will give you that option to generate SQL script. Alright, so go to the database. Now we are gonna go for the SQL script generation, which is known as a forward engineering database. You can see forward engineering option. Alright, so set parameters to the connections to a database management system. So if you want to run the script in different servers, so you can write the server location and port. So now we are going to generate the SQL script in the local host. So this is localhost and the port is 3306. Go to next. Alright, this is the options, database to be created. Before database creating, is running the script in the SQL in the MySql Workbench. If you already have those tables earlier, so and now you are going to run the script, teacher and course script again. So that is where the database conflicts. So in that case you have to remove the old table, and for that there is options drop object before each, create object, generate drop schema, and so on. So since these are the tables that we have created in ER diagram, those are new, very new, so we do not need drop schema, so we can skip it. So keep it as it is and go to the next. Alright, give it a password. Okay, select object forward engineering, which sort of forward engineering that you want. Now we export MySql table objects. So you can see that 3 tables objects here and 3 selected. Next, here you go. You can see the SQL scripts here that is being generated from the MySql Workbench using forward engineering technique. So if we copy that script and run it on MySql Workbench, then that script will generate the tables. So now we go to the next. Okay, so all the options is giving tick mark, so that means the database has been created. So now we can go here local instance MySql. Alright, refresh it. You can see the database, dev database. Open it up, tables. Okay, the course, teacher, and teacher has course. Two table, course, teacher tables, and the association table. Open it up. So the database is created. Now the database is ready to use for your application. Thank you.